Afternoon, dosto. Mayuresh Joshi, Head of Research at MarketSmith India. And I know there has been a break for the last so many days. But reason यही था markets consolidate कर रहे थे. हम भी देखना चाहते थे कि markets की move किस दिशा में जा रही है. Obviously एक जो underlying थी market की कि एक range bound trade जो हो रहा था 26,000 on the higher side, not getting breached. 25,750, 25,800 on the lower side, acting as a support for the market. और कहीं ना कहीं I think market boring and frustrating हो गया था. But today, I think we have broken out of that range. आज स्पॉट 26,200 के ऊपर एक बार निकल चुका था and we are almost 50-60 points from all-time highs. At this juncture, I think what we probably are looking at is strong stocks which are approaching their pivot, where earnings might continue remaining resilient, और जहाँ पे technically stocks are showing very, very strong support signs. और उसमें से एक स्टॉक मैं डिस्कस करना चाहता हूं which I'll share on the screen for all your information at this point of time. और वो स्टॉक का नाम है TBO टेक का. रिसेंट आईपीओ लिस्टिंग है और जैसे हम देखते हैं कि नए लिस्टिंग्स प्लेटफॉर्म कंपनीज में जो एक जोश था, आई थिंक द काइंड ऑफ एंथुसियाज्म दैट वन हैज, TBO टेक is something which is approaching its pivot very, very strongly in a market like this. Two things. One, I think from a fundamental perspective, it's a global aggregator, B2B, B2C platform है, जहाँ पे सारे जो aggregators होते हैं, airlines, hotels, travel agent, come on to TBO Tech's platform. And then they get diversified services. Retail को service मिलती है या agents को service मिलती है through their enterprise model. Obviously, I think the number of transacting agents that they've got is in excess of 50 or 1,000. जो global services या abroad India के बाहर, the services that they're giving, 12,000 active agents that are working here, which significantly adds to their transacting customers every month. Last quarter, close to 30,800 odd transacting customers. They had a very, very decent revenue in excess of 550 odd crores. Profitability 100 crore के ऊपर थी and very, very healthy margins as well. So as the business evolves, and a part of the business, 38% comes from Europe, 28% from Middle East and Africa, around 9% from India, 9% from America, 9% from Latin America. And they've done quite a number of acquisitions over the last few years. India में किया है, Europe में किया है, US में एक acquisition किया है $125 million का, $75 million will be provided by debt. But all these acquisitions will ensure that the kind of transacting users, both at an enterprise and a retail level, and the end customers with the end companies that they are buying, remain strong and resilient. As far as the technical parameters are concerned, I think the stock has been doing very, very well. If you probably go back a few months, it had created a flat base 1A for 8 weeks, where the pivot was 1,508 odd levels. Now, over the last few days and weeks as well, it has now created a flat base 1B with the pivot at 1,700 odd rupees. 9 weeks हो चुके हैं with this consolidation. With today's move, the candle that you're probably seeing, और आज की candle तो ये add हो जाएगी, कहीं ना कहीं I think there are very, very strong volumes coming through, and it's approaching the pivot with very, very strong technical parameters. So the purpose of this video was that as markets are approaching all-time highs, William O'Neill has always said that look out for stocks that are having very, very strong breakouts, strong EPS-RS ratings, strong buyer demand, which we believe TBO Tech has. So it's a perfect blend of fundamentals and technicals that can probably be put through. 1,700 is the pivot. Please have it on your watch list. हमें लगता है, I think if the pivot is breached, there can be a good amount of momentum onto this stock. So with this, I think I will conclude the weekly stock discussion that we have. We are obviously going to do a podcast in the coming week. And as I discussed earlier, we have created and curated the material for growth investing, which includes a lot of aspects of CanSlim. We are trying to run this project or a pilot, hopefully in Mumbai and Pune to begin with. Further details we'll put out as we firm up the dates, and you will have a good headspace or a head start in terms of when that date will probably be announced. Till then, keep on watching our videos, and please log on to marketsmithindia.com to know more in terms of the research that we carry for the markets. Thank you.